Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Ubiquity. In this video we will working on a wooden DIY project that is wooden nameplate for your beautiful home. For this project I am choosing teak wood. Personally I like its wooden texture and very dense look, but you can choosing as your preference. But I will personally recommend you to choose wooden which have good texture, because it will look very pretty after the completion and applying 2 layer of clear coating. Then cut is appropriate side according to your length of name. I cut is of 18 inches in length. I need 7 pieces of 18 inches long for this project. You can modify length of wood, and number of piece according to your need. I need 7 pieces for this project. Then I sand it from sandpapers for smoothing the wood and surface for it clear and smooth look. I am using sandpaper of 240 number, as much a smooth surface will provide glossy look. And merge together with a supporter on it backside by using glue and nail from the behind. I am using 1/2 inches nails for support and also applied glue between main wood and back supporter. It will make your nameplate durable and strong for long lasting. I cut this some small piece of wood in shape of house, and I cut this alphabets as you can see in my hand by using CNC machine. You can also cut it by using hand tools or jigsaw, but with CNC machine provides very precise and smooth cut of small and tiny pieces of wood. I glued these small wooden pieces with nameplate one by one. I cut at least 4 pieces of wood, then I will draw shape of door and windows on piece of wood. After the painted it will looks beautiful and very pretty. I also cut a shape of road lamp from wood and glued it. I am choosing blue color for paint alphabets. Personally I like this blue color, but you can choose as your choice or preference. I painted all the alphabets before pasted with nameplate. It is very time consuming and take at least 1 house to paint all alphabets and rest them to dry. But you remember that, you must paint the alphabets before glued, because once you glued these alphabets, it is very difficult to paint all around without spreading paint on main wooden surface. Now all alphabets are dried very well, now it's time to glue them. I am using high quality glue and applying on letter for glued them with nameplates. Please make sure twice that you are arranging alphabets according to correct spelling. As you can see, all alphabets are glued and looking very simple, but you can also paint it by 3 different color for enhance the look. Now I am drawing white lines on all alphabets for give an attractive look. It totally up to you, you can draw something else or you can left simply single color. It's also very time consuming because you have to draw straight line as possible as you can. Now I am drawing windows and doors on piece of wood which is glued on nameplate. After the drawing we will paint it with acrylic color. I am painting windows with dark brown color. After that, I will draw outer line with white color. It will gives realistic and attractive look for our nameplate. Then I am selecting yellow color on the top portion of lamp and black at the bottom of lamp. I will also draw black vertical line over yellow color. It will provide 3D look to lamp and looks like real lamp. I draw a roughly design of plant by marker, then I permanently paint it. It reduces the possibility of mistake. I also make some plant leaves, and choose green color for make them. Then I decided to make a large tree nearby lamp. So I draw a tree and am painting with green color of leaf and dark brown color for trunk portion. I also make lots of flower along with green leaf. I choose different color to make it. Then I thought, I should put some bird over plant and tried to give a natural look. Then cut a wooden piece in the shape of sun and paint is very bright yellow color. At the end, I applied 2 coat of clear varnish all over nameplate and then rest it for dry. It provides very shiny and glossy look, and attached to hanging clips for hanging upon wall. Now finally, your DIY nameplate is completed, and ready to increase beauty of outer wall of your house. So, I would say this is a beautiful build. And now I hope you enjoy the video of wooden nameplate. Other than that, I hope to see you next time. Goodbye for now, but don't forget to subscribe and press like button. Thank you.